We started off here in 2009. We imported 20-year-old animals and about 8 or 10 younger stock. From there, we have grown today to about 800, I would think, Kieran.
800? You sure?
Fairly sure.
Is that at all? I have a clicker here, I'm going to count them.
So from 2009, we have grown a lot. In 2015, Aldi came on board, which changed everything.
300 so far!
They start to take your mozzarella first, and they have grown with other cheeses from 2015 on, so Aldi have been an unreal help to us.
I think you're right. We have 800. The weather here in Ireland is absolutely perfect for farming buffalo. They love the constant rainfall that we get every week, and also the rain allows us to grow lots of grass, so the buffaloes are living outdoors, free roaming, which is a big contrast to where they come from in Italy. You can see how friendly they are. They absolutely love it here. Hello, my name is Kieran Lynch, and today I'd like to share with you the benefits of buffalo mozzarella. Buffalo milk is naturally very versatile. It's high in protein, so we don't need any additives. It's high in calcium. It's low in cholesterol, and it's 100% vegetarian. And of course, our buffalo mozzarella is deliciously rich and creamy. When you pull apart a ball like this and you see milk splattering out of it, you know that it's very, very fresh.
The thing about these animals is that they're very, very smart. Once upon a time when we went for tea, and lo and behold, there was a phone call 15 minutes later that they were out on the road. They had 3 gates open. They just see the gate handles and they do it with their tongues. They do it with the horns, but they definitely know how to open gates. To keep them relaxed and easygoing, we use scratchers. They form a queue for the scratcher and they don't seem to try to hit one out of the way. They queue up. They'd be much more smarter than an ordinary cow. Mozzarella is named for a specific reason. The meaning of it is tear. When mozzarella was being made in Italy years and years ago, it used to be handmade and they used to tear it. Cheesemaker comes in the morning at 4, he adds the rennet starter, and 4 hours on it's stretched. And the stretching then, once it stretches freely, it's all set to go into production. So we open the bag, throw away the brine. We bring out the ball of fresh cheese and we cut it open into slices, and you can clearly see that it's as fresh as you could have. You can see the milk flowing out of it.